Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can reset your position in a practice match or a chess match against the computer on chess.com. So let us guide you through it. So navigate to the mode or your current game, for example against the computer, as you can see here in the practice mode. And let's assume, for instance, I make a mistake and make a move like this here, and my piece here has been defeated, as you can see, by the computer. So if you for some reason, guys, believe you can't win the match but you don't want to resign it, it's only practice mode against the computer, there is sometimes, it depends on the play mode you're playing, there's sometimes the opportunity to reset the position to start, and you can do that by clicking into this button at the bottom, reset position, and there you go. Now these pieces have been moved back to the default position. You can start all over with the match just like that, and hopefully not repeat the same mistakes, for example, or you may see these suggestions or mistake suggestions here, explanations, but that's something we cover in a separate tutorial. So guys, that's how you reset the position on chess.com. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.